Backstage at Paris's largest fashion show, models hurried, designers whispered, and the stage manager wrung his hands with worry. The show was mere minutes away, but disaster had struck. The main collection was ruined by an accidental paint spill. Panic spread like wildfire. Barbie, known for her creative flair, twirled a sketchpad while chatting with her friend, Ladybug, the courageous Parisian superhero with a secret identity. Spotting the chaos, Barbie turned to Ladybug and said, "We can't let this show fall apart." Ladybug nodded, confidence sparkling in her eyes. "Let's work our magic, Barbie." Ladybug summoned her lucky charm, producing a shimmering bolt of fabric and flashes of magical energy. Barbie, inspired, quickly sketched designs that pulsed with vibrancy. As the crowd behind the curtains gasped over ruined garments, Barbie and Ladybug began to work together, Ladybug flipping over railings, delivering fabric and accessories, while Barbie stitched designs with improbable speed and style. A twist, the top model tripped too soon onto the runway, wearing only half a costume. The audience applauded, thinking it was part of a dazzling performance. The stage manager, wide-eyed, watched as models lined up in astonishing new creations, sparkling gowns, inventive silhouettes, and bold accents that Paris had never seen. Barbie and Ladybug's final masterpiece was revealed, a magical dress that fluttered from blue to red as Ladybug activated her magic. Cameras flashed, designers wept with joy. As the evening ended, Barbie and Ladybug smiled at each other, their job done. Together, they'd saved the fashion show, proving that Paris's greatest designs are powered by friendship and a touch of magic.